Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Fun application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Haylou Fun application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page, and on the home page you should see your Haylou RS3. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the face gallery option or this arrow right here on the right side to open the whole face gallery. And as you can see, we opened the face gallery. Basically this is the watch face store for our watch, and we can browse through different categories. Open one, for example, let's open the artistic creativity. And once you open the category, you will have the list of watch faces, and you can tap on one, select it, and then you can tap on set as current watch face, and it's gonna start syncing your watch face with your watch. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch. You can also go back to the face gallery, tap on my watch faces, and the watch face will appear right here in the recent category. So basically, if you install or rather download more watch faces, they will appear here, then you can switch between them by tapping on one and tapping on set as current watch face. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.